Integrating carbs into daily anti-aging diets is less about counting grams and more about making them a natural, enjoyable part of every meal. The goal is to provide steady energy, preserve muscle and brain function, support hormonal balance, and nourish the gut microbiome, all while enjoying the flavors and variety that whole food carbohydrates offer. The key is choosing nutrient-dense, fiber-rich carbs that work with the body rather than against it. Whole grains, legumes, fruits, and vegetables should form the backbone of an anti-aging carbohydrate strategy, supplying glucose for energy and essential micronutrients for long-term resilience. For breakfast, whole grains are an excellent starting point. Oats, quinoa, or whole grain breads provide slow-release glucose that fuels both the brain and muscles for the day ahead. Pairing them with protein sources like eggs, yogurt, or nut butter creates a synergistic effect, allowing carbs to provide energy while proteins support tissue repair and satiety. Adding fruits, such as berries or banana slices, boosts antioxidants and fiber intake, further protecting cells from oxidative stress associated with aging. A morning oatmeal topped with nuts and fruit isn't just delicious, it's a metabolism-friendly, longevity-supporting powerhouse. Lunch and dinner offer opportunities to combine starches with vegetables, proteins, and healthy fats. Brown rice, barley, or sweet potatoes can serve as the centerpiece, complemented by lean proteins like fish, poultry, tofu, or legumes. Vegetables add fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, while healthy fats from olive oil, avocado, or seeds enhance nutrient absorption and support hormonal balance. This combination stabilizes blood sugar, feeds the gut microbiome, and keeps energy steady, helping to prevent midday crashes or overeating later in the day. Simple swaps, like choosing whole grain pasta instead of refined versions or adding beans to a salad, can dramatically improve nutritional quality without feeling restrictive. Snacks are another important opportunity to integrate carbs intelligently. Fresh fruit, veggie sticks with hummus, or whole grain crackers with nut butter provide quick energy while supporting gut health and cognitive function. These snacks prevent prolonged periods of low glucose, which can stress metabolism and trigger undesirable hormonal responses, especially in aging adults. The idea is not to fear carbohydrates, but to use them strategically to maintain steady energy and nourishment throughout the day. Timing and variety also matter. Alternating different carb sources, like rice, quinoa, lentils, potatoes, and seasonal fruits, ensures a broad spectrum of nutrients while keeping meals enjoyable. Including a mix of both faster-absorbing carbs, like fruit for quick energy or pre- and post-exercise fuel, and slower, fiber-rich carbs, like whole grains and legumes, supports both immediate energy needs and long-term health. The diversity of whole carbohydrates also helps maintain a resilient gut microbiome, which is increasingly recognized as central to immunity, metabolic balance, and longevity. The practical takeaway is simple: aim for carbohydrates that nourish, stabilize, and energize rather than spike or stress the system. Whole grains, legumes, fruits, and vegetables should feature at every meal, paired with proteins and healthy fats for balance. This approach aligns with evolutionary biology. Humans thrived for millennia on carb-inclusive diets, and contemporary research, which shows that fiber-rich, nutrient-dense carbs support cognitive health, muscle maintenance, hormonal balance, and reduced inflammation. The funny side is how easy it is to make carbs both enjoyable and longevity-friendly. Far from being boring or diet food, they are versatile, comforting, and culturally embedded staples that can form the foundation of every meal. A colorful plate of rice, beans, vegetables, and a drizzle of olive oil is not just satisfying. It's a practical, science-backed strategy for aging gracefully. Over time, these small, intentional choices add up, creating daily habits that protect metabolism, preserve vitality, and allow aging adults to thrive with energy, resilience, and pleasure in their food.